आज का टॉपिक है टैक्स प्लानिंग एंड मैनेजमेंट। देखिए टॉपिक फर्स्ट यूनिट का है टैक्स प्लानिंग, टैक्स अवॉइडेंस एंड टैक्स इवेजन। तो फर्स्ट यूनिट में रह गया था ये टॉपिक, आज इसको कवर करते हैं। उसके बाद फिर यूनिट फर्स्ट से स्टार्ट करेंगे। टैक्स प्लानिंग। एवरी टैक्स पेयर wants to minimize his tax liability and tax incidence so that his real income after tax is the highest. But he does not want to violate the law and adopt immoral tactics. He can do so by adopting a proper tax planning technique. Tax planning is an art and the exercise of arranging financial affairs of taxpayers so as to reduce or delay the tax payment which would be necessary if the words of the laws were to be followed in the obvious manner. Tax planning may be defined as an arrangement of one financial affairs in such a way that without violating in any way of legal provision of the act, full advantage is taken of all exemption, deductions, rebates, and reliefs permitted under the tax, so that the burden of the taxation on an SSC as far as possible is the least. Element or characteristics of tax planning. First, tax planning is legally recognized. It means number two, planning in connection with income, expenditure, and investment. Number three, tax planning is moral. Number four, tax planning is in accordance with government policy. Number five, tax planning reduces tax liability and increases after tax income. Number six, basis of tax planning. Number seven, tax planning is a continuous process. Number eight, tax planning is scientific. स्टूडेंट टैक्स प्लानिंग के करेक्टरिस्टिक्स के बाद आते हैं इसके ऑब्जेक्टिव्स ऑफ टैक्स प्लानिंग। नंबर वन ऑब्जेक्टिव्स है रिडक्शन इन टैक्स लायबिलिटी। इट मीन्स द बेसिक नीड ऑफ टैक्स प्लानिंग is to reduce the tax liability so that enough surplus out of profit remain with earner of it for his personal and social needs and also for future investment in his business. This is only possible by planning his tax affairs properly and availing the deduction, exemptions and relief etc. which are admissible under the Act. Number two, minimization of litigation. There is always a tug of war between the taxpayer and the tax administrators. Taxpayers try their best to pay the least tax and tax administrators attempt to extract the maximum. Number 3, productive investment. A proper tax planning brings fiscal discipline in the functioning of a taxpayer and reduces the transfer of money from the person who has earned it by hard labor to the government for waste and abstention. Number 4, healthy growth of economy. The growth of a nation economy depends upon the growth of its citizen. Saving through tax planning devices foster the growth of economic, while saving through tax evasion lead to the generation of black money, the evils of which are obvious. Number 5, economic stability. It means tax planning is not only need of the taxpayer but is also of the society and whole of the गवर्नमेंट. स्टूडेंट इसके बाद आते हैं इसके इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ टैक्स प्लानिंग. नंबर 1, फॉर टैक्स पेयर. By tax planning, the taxpayer reduces his tax liability. For this purpose, he avails the benefit of deduction, reliefs, and rebates permissible in the Act. Number 2, for the country, it means the government starts development scheme for the progress of nation. The capital for the schemes is arranged by encouraging people to save and invest. Number 3, for society. By tax planning, the society is also benefited in many ways. The amount saved is invested in the industry. Number 4, for industry and trade. By tax incentive, the government encourages people for balanced development of different part of the country. स्टूडेंट नेक्स्ट टॉपिक आता है टैक्स अवॉइडेंस. Tax avoidance is an art of dodging tax without actually breaking the law. It is a method of reducing tax incidence by availing of certain loopholes in the law. The Royal Commission on Taxation of Canada has explained the concept of avoiding of tax. Tax avoidance will be used for the describe every attempt by legal means to prevent or reduce tax liability which would otherwise be incurred. Tax avoidance is a technique by which income, expenditure and investment of an assessee are so arranged that without violating tax laws, his tax liability is reduced to the minimum by taking advantage of loopholes or lacunas of tax law. It has been observed by the Honorable Supreme Court that tax avoidance is the technique of so arranging one commercial affairs that charge of the tax is distributed. टैक्स इविजन. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक आता है टैक्स इविजन. When a person reduces his total income by making false claims or by withholding the information regarding his real income. so that his tax liability is reduced is known as tax evasion. Tax evasion is not only illegal but it is also immoral, antisocial, and anti national practice. Therefore, under the direct tax laws, provision have been made for the imposition of heavy penalty and the institution of prosecution proceeding against taxpayer. The tax evader reduces his tax liability income by one or more following steps, जैसे कि अनरिकॉर्डेड सेल्स, क्लेमिंग बोगस एक्सपेंसेस, झूठे खर्चे दिखा देना, बैड डेप्ट एंड लॉसेस, चार्जिंग पर्सनल एक्सपेंसेस, फॉर एग्जांपल जैसे कि कार एक्सपेंसेस, टेलीफोन एक्सपेंसेस, ट्रैवलिंग एक्सपेंसेस, medical expenses incurred for self or family may be shown in the account books as business expenses. Number 4. Submission of bogus receipt for charitable donation for deduction under Section 80G. Non-disclosure of capital gains on asset. Number 6. By showing excessive or bogus daily payment to near relatives. Number 7. By not showing taxable incomes in return of income. स्टूडेंट देखिए, टैक्स इवेजन के बारे में डिस्कस किया, टैक्स अवॉइडेंस एंड टैक्स प्लानिंग। अब देखिए कुछ नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, ये डिफरेंसेस हैं, डिफरेंस बिटवीन टैक्स अवॉइडेंस एंड टैक्स इवेजन। टैक्स अवॉइडेंस एंड टैक्स इवेजन, देखिए टैक्स अवॉइडेंस इज इलीगल दो इट इज़ इमोरल एंड illegitimate, or tax evasion is illegal and against the tax laws. Number 2, tax avoidance, loopholes or lacunas of law are taken into consideration for reducing tax liability. Tax evasion, in tax evasion on the attempt is made to evade tax liability by violating the law or by using unfair means or methods. Number 3, tax avoidance is the art of dodging tax without breaking the law. Evasion में tax evasion is tax omission in it the law is violated. Number 4, it defeats the main intention of law. It breaks the law. Number 5, tax avoidance is not punishable. Either tax evasion is punishable. Number 6, it is based on immunity and misrepresentation or twisting the facts. Tax evasion is based on the supervision or mission of material facts. इसके बाद स्टूडेंट देखिए एक नेक्स्ट डिफरेंस, ये डिफरेंस है टैक्स प्लानिंग एंड टैक्स अवॉइडेंस। टैक्स प्लानिंग, टैक्स अवॉइडेंस। Number 1, tax planning is legally and moral. Avoidance, tax avoidance is legal, but it is immoral and illegitimate. Number 2, tax planning intends to get full benefit of all tax concession, reliefs and rebates, exemption. Tax avoidance is benefits are taken out of the loopholes or lacunas of law. Number 3, it is beneficial to the society and nation. Tax avoidance, it is derogatory and harmful to the society and nation. Number 4, it is strictly in the accordance with law and observe the real intention of law. Number 4, it defeats the main intention of law. Number 5, it helps in sound economic development of the country. Avoidance में it creates the black money and give the rise to black economy. Number 6, it required the full and deep knowledge of the law and requires the use of law with intelligence. It requires full and deep knowledge of law and requires courage to misinterpret it and use to its loopholes. स्टूडेंट, आज हमने टैक्स प्लानिंग की मीनिंग, अवॉइडेंस एंड इवेजन के बारे में डिस्कस किया एंड डिफरेंस टैक्स अवॉइडेंस एंड इवेजन एंड सेकंड डिफरेंस था टैक्स प्लानिंग एंड अवॉइडेंस. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट.